Please do subscribe my channel. It's story of a boy and girl. They were best friend for years and used to talk on phone for hours and text each other whole day. There wouldn't be a day on which they didn't contact and talk to each other. Everything was great. They used to be happy in each other's company and enjoy. But one day boy didn't call or replied to girl for a day. Girl got worried and knew something was wrong. At night in her room she was crying, and at that time she realized that how much he meant to her. Next day in morning she got a call. It was from boy. Boy: "Hi girl. I am so glad that you called. What happened to you yesterday?" Boy: "I was busy." After silence for min, boy: "I think we should stop talking." Girl: "What? But why?" Boy: "Sorry. Bye." After this boy disconnected call. Girl was shocked. She couldn't understand anything and was feeling lonely, rejected and broken. After thinking, she decided to make a last try to get him back. So, she called him. Girl: "Hi boy. Why are you calling me?" Girl: "I need to ask you something." Boy: "Go ahead girl." With heavy heart, "Are you all right?" She tried to talk, but she thought maybe he really doesn't care. She broke off and left her house, leaving a note. Few hours later boy got a call. It was to inform him that girl got hit by a car and her condition was serious. Boy rushed to hospital and went to see her. He was sitting beside her holding her hand. Boy: "I am sorry, it's all my fault, but I promise I will make it up to you." Girl: "I am not gonna get better." Boy: "Don't say that." Girl: "Just tell me one thing, why you asked me to leave." To this question of her boy tell her the truth that he has heart problem and he didn't wanted her to get worried because there was risk that he would die. Boy continued and said, "I did this because I love you." "I love you too," girl said, and her heart stopped beating. Just after 10 minutes boy also died because of heart attack, as he could live with the thought that she died because of him. Moral: if you love someone, then don't hold back your feelings. Never hide your problems and feeling from the one who cares for you and love you.
Please like, share and subscribe.